Hello, Eugene Anderson here, a drummer from Ghana. Drumming has been part of me for the past 12 years now, and still counting. About a year ago, a collision artist, Daniel Ajano, introduced me to this amazing sticks, 5AR. It has been awesome using these amazing sticks, and I like the way it's very heavy, the weight, the length, and the grip. And I recommend these sticks to every drummer out there based on the kind of music that I play. These sticks has been with me for the past 3 months now because I play at parties with artists, shows, and I haven't regretted using these sticks. My first on-board meeting with the team was amazing, and I felt loved and appreciated. And they don't just focus on the sticks, but they care about your craft. They care about your well-being, your growth in the music industry. And they are a family that I'm pleased to join, and I'm happy to be with. The next video is me playing a song by Nathan Nelson, Jesus. Do enjoy it.
Jesus.